Are you sacrificing your well-being on the altar of hard work? In a world obsessed with hustle culture, it's time to question whether believing in your hard work is really the key to success. Now, you might be wondering, why should I question something as ingrained in our culture as hard work? While hard work is undoubtedly crucial on the journey to success, it's equally important to recognize when it's becoming detrimental. Burning yourself out in the pursuit of success may lead to short-term gains, but true fulfillment and sustainable achievement come from a balanced approach. So yes, sweat for success, but not at the expense of your well-being. In a world where the hustle is glorified and burnout is normalized, it's time to challenge the status quo. Let's dive headfirst into a discussion that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the relationship between hard work and success. Self-care isn't selfish. It's essential for sustaining our journey towards success. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. Schedule regular breaks, exercise, sleep well, and nourish your body with healthy food. Take regular breaks from technology and disconnect from work-related communications outside of designated hours. Set boundaries around screen time to prevent digital overload and protect your mental well-being. Define what success means to you and set specific, achievable goals that align with your values and aspirations. The direction, not just speed, determines our destination. Avoid setting unrealistic expectations for yourself, as this can lead to feelings of inadequacy and burnout. Let's not overlook our mental well-being. Prioritizing hard work at the expense of our mental health is a dangerous game. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing exercises to stay grounded and present amidst the demands of work. Set boundaries to protect your personal time and prevent burnout. Learn to say no when necessary and communicate your limits effectively. Delegate tasks that don't require your direct involvement to others, allowing you to focus on high-priority activities and prevent overwhelm. Find ways to streamline processes, eliminate inefficiencies, and optimize your workflow to achieve more with less effort. Break up your workday with short, rejuvenating breaks to recharge your energy and maintain focus and productivity throughout the day. Develop healthy coping mechanisms to manage stress effectively, whether through exercise, relaxation techniques, or seeking support from a therapist. Let's cultivate resilience by nurturing our mental and emotional health, knowing that true greatness arises from a place of inner strength and vitality. It's not about avoiding challenges, but rather how we rise above them, emerging stronger and more determined than before. Remain adaptable and open to change, as unexpected obstacles and opportunities may arise along your journey. Embrace uncertainty as a natural part of life and focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. View failure as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Embrace challenges as valuable lessons that contribute to your personal growth and resilience. Let's not forget about the external forces beyond our control. Economic downturns, unforeseen events, they can derail even the most diligent efforts. Success isn't solely within our grasp. It's a dance between our actions and the whims of fate. Remember, true success isn't measured by the absence of obstacles, but by our ability to overcome them with grace and determination. But perhaps the most profound truth is this: success isn't a one-dimensional concept. Relying solely on hard work often narrows our definition of success, neglecting other facets of a fulfilling life, relationships, personal growth, and well-being. Let's broaden our perspective and redefine success to encompass not just professional achievements, but also personal fulfillment and happiness. After all, true success is about finding balance and harmony in all aspects of our lives. As we strive for success, let's remember the words of Maya Angelou. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Let's pursue our goals with integrity and authenticity, honoring the journey as much as the destination. Success isn't just about the sweat and tears, it's about the tangible difference we make in the world around us. Let's aim not just to work hard, but to create a legacy of meaningful accomplishments that inspire others to dream boldly and live passionately. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Abraham Lincoln. Now, we would like to hear from you. How do you personally define success? Is it solely based on hard work, or do you believe other elements play a significant role? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Career momentum, where success meets inspiration. Like and subscribe for more.